am going to take a walk today. This walk is pretty cool. Come walk with me to the bank. This over here is the symphony. And that's the street that we came from. That's where I live. Pretty cool building. And the ballet building is pretty cool. I can see this from my window. That is City Hall. The area is called Civic Center. And then this is, I think, the back of City Hall, but maybe the front, I'm not sure. But oh, I guess it's called the War Memorial Opera House, but they have the ballet there. And then this building here, straight ahead, is also part of the same War Memorial Opera House. So I guess they have the opera and ballet in this building. Cool little courtyard right here. And then I guess that right there, where it has the Great Seal of California, that is courthouse or something. I'm not sure. And then this cafe used to be open. It was pretty good. It's kind of inside the War Memorial. But today we're going to this bank on the corner. Let's see if we can make this light. See the Muni where people have to mask. The next stop is this bank. Here's a different view of City Hall and the ballet. The symphony go across here. I think some cars were waiting for me. And this is the side of the Symphony building. It's a pretty awesome building. That tall building there, right there, is 100 Van Ness. I have another video on 100 Van Ness. You can check it out. It's called, I think it's called Views from 100 Van Ness. In the back, I don't know if you can see way behind the City Hall, that's the main library and the Asian Art Museum. Maybe we'll take a walk there one day. And that building right there that says San Francisco, I think that's the ballet school. So that's where you go to school, and that's where you would perform. This is the entrance to the symphony. Box office, the lobby. You see who's playing. All these people. I don't know who they are, but it's a really beautiful building. That is the City Arts and Lectures building on the corner. And then if you go down this way on Hayes, you'll hit the San Francisco Jazz Center. And then this building is the back of the symphony that we saw. Now taking you to the back of the Opera House. So that is that courtyard we were at on the other side. And then this is the ballet school. So one side of the Opera House, the other side of the Opera House, and then this beautiful gate. And this amazing courtyard right here. I know this exists, but I rarely walk through here. It's nice and quiet, I guess. What's up, Crow? Okay. And then of course you see City Hall in the background right there. Across from Van Ness Street. This is some sort of memorial water fountain thing. These trees are weird. They look like crunchy Cheetos. And then remember we were walking on Van Ness on that street, and this is that courtyard. It says the people of San Francisco dedicate this memorial to our nation's veterans in honor of their service. October 10, 2014. Cool dome over there up top. You can see this from my kitchen. And let's look at this courtyard. And then we are back on Van Ness. And then one more place while in my car, this building right here. This is called the Conservatory, the San Francisco Conservatory, the San Francisco Conservatory of Music. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I know these videos are random, but we're at 22 subscribers. Let's get to 25.